Why? I'm a beautiful person, man. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Wait, I need that bubble! Oh, no, 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 no. Come on, come on. Oh, do I have to push this again? I don't know what I'm doing, man. I'm just like trying not to die. Alright, so go to the left. Right, I mean. Turn left, alright? Alright. Dragonflies. Now that does not look safe. Go up. Jumble! Jumble! I'm jumbled! Why am I moving? I mean, why? Edit! Edit! Edit that part out. There you got it. We need to edit that part out. How do we know? Oh, later. Oh gosh, this is embarrassing. I'm falling. Maybe. I can't English anymore. I cannot English anymore. Oh, it moves with you. Oh, that's so weird. My back is sweating. Whoa, it closes back up. Come on, man. Where's the mercy? Where's the mercy? Where am I going? Let's go. The music. He's ready to go. He's ready to go. Oh yeah, cool. I got the ring. What does that do? Is that like a bonus stage? Is it? So I get to do a bonus stage, right? I remember from... Okay, champion music. It's over with. Bring it. Mario Kart. What do I gotta do? What's he doing? Oh no, not Mario Kart. What do you call that? F-Zero. This is like F-Zero. But like the poor man's version. Woo! Oh yeah, I can jump. Ooh, alerts. I thought that was like a speed thing. What? I don't want to try. I don't want to retry that. That was. You go back and get those things if you want them, man. What are we trying to get? Time crystal or something? I'm not here for the time crystals. It's for the good time. Actually, I'm pretty stressed out right now. I don't know if I'm having fun. I feel like I need like therapy after this. Therapy. Oh, I got him. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Wait, my coin. Oh, slap you around. He doesn't like that, huh? I'm pressing jump. Come on. Kill them. You lose. You better run, boy. From the west side. Huh?
Here comes an arrow.
Oh no, I got 24 rings. What do I do? What do I do, Jess? What do I do? Whoa! I'm not afraid. Okay, I'm afraid of those. Come down here, man, you coward.